The overall goal of this procedure is to quantify the variability of an EEG time series and relate that variability to the information processing capacity of the underlying neural system. This is accomplished by first acquiring high-quality EEG recordings of the brain's response. The second step is to pre-process the data to remove any artifacts. Next, the statistics of interest are extracted. Here, we will contrast the novel application of multiscale entropy with more traditional methods of mean amplitude and spectral power. The final step is to analyze the statistical significance of the results and interpret the data. This step can be facilitated by using data-driven multivariate approaches like partial least squares analysis. Ultimately, multiscale entropy is used to show how a sequence of changes in the spatial temporal pattern across multiple timescales contributes to specific cognitive operations.
The advantage to using MSE over existing methods like mean amplitude or spectral power is that MSE is sensitive to the nonlinearities in the data. These nonlinear dynamics reflect transitions or bifurcations between the microstates of a network, which is important for information exchange across a distributed network of brain regions. Demonstrating this procedure will be Christina Backer from the ERP lab at the Rotman Research Institute.
First, explain the experimental procedures to the participant and obtain